Hi, I'm Caroline and this is Marie and we are from Bluerack. This is what the ocean is supposed to look like. Unfortunately, this is what it's turning into. 1 truckload of plastic enters the ocean every minute. That's 12 million tons per year, harming wildlife and polluting our nature. And a lot of this plastic comes from us due to overproduction of single-use plastic and discarded fishing nets. And the problem is that we design for single use and not circularity. Just look at the plastic packaging around cans right now. We use it once and then we toss it away. That's why we have created Bluerack, a reusable can holder made from recycled fishing nets. And it's simple. You just snap the can into the holder and that's it. We've been speaking to the users and it's clear that they want a proper handle and an ability to mix the cans. Bluerack is a circular startup. We collect the old fishing nets in Danish harbors and then we recycle them into can holders using injection molding. The production cost for 1 unit is around €1. Our primary customers are craft beer retailers and we sell it to them for €3. And then they sell it to the consumers and they can either reuse it or they can return it for a refundable deposit on €2. And here the retailers can either resell them or recycle them.
So these production costs have been provided to us by a Danish plastic company that we're in dialogue with. And we're also currently collaborating with 2 great breweries back in Denmark who are ready to test our solution in their stores. And this summer, we're also piloting Bluerack at the largest music festival in Denmark in order to test the user adoption. So our long-term goal is to partner with major breweries and integrate Bluerack into the Danish national deposit system. So we've been in dialogue with Carlsberg, which is a Danish, but also one of the world's largest breweries, who see a great potential. We've also been in dialogue with the Danish return system in order to ensure that our solution can be integrated into the national deposit system. And this is possible, which can create true circularity. With Bluerack, brands they will support the UN Sustainable Development Goals by removing marine plastic waste and giving it a new life. Also, compared to the traditional LDPE packaging we see, we reduce CO2 emissions by up to 85% and we avoid virgin plastic entirely. This also aligns with the EU regulations requiring all plastic packaging to be 100% recyclable by 2030. So Bluerack is more than just packaging. It's a step towards a circular future. So join us and let's close the loop. Thank you very much.